Good morning, Diana Sescalini here. Today is Monday, April 1st, and technically it's a holiday for Chaffey Community College. It's Cesar Chavez Day, which is really March 31st, but because it's a Sunday, they celebrate today. But this week, here's what's happening on week 12 instructors video, and that's what this is, week 12 instructors video for my 1A class. We're almost there, guys, like 5 more weeks left. Today is going to be quiz 4 is going to open on chapters 8 and 9, and that is due Sunday, April 7th. You're going to start project number 3, which is from chapter 10. I know we're doing chapter 10 this week, but project number 3, you're going to have 3 weeks to complete it. It's due on April 22nd, so it starts this week. It's smaller than the other 2 projects. It's only worth 75 points. So it's shorter than the other 2 projects that you've done. This week in Chapter 10, we're going to be looking at liabilities, both current and installment notes. The biggest portion of Chapter 10 is payroll. When you owe your employees money, how do you journalize the journal entries? There are only 2 journal entries for payroll. One is from the employee's perspective about what you pay them, and the other one is from the employer's perspective about you as the employer. What do you have to journalize, and what do you pay out of your pocket to keep your employees employed? Kind of confusing, I know. The other part of Chapter 10 is about when you owe vendors money, very similar to Chapter 8 where you had a notes receivable. Here you have a notes payable because you owe a vendor money, could not pay them in time, so you signed a note owing them interest to pay them in so many days. So it's kind of the reverse of what happened in Chapter 8. And that's what's happening this week. I do want you guys to know that I'm going to be away from my office, but I will have access to my emails and my cell numbers from approximately April 5th through the 14th, I believe it was, but I'm still available. You can still reach out to me, but just so you know that I'm doing a little traveling and I may not actually be able to get back to you very quickly. So please, even if you're asking for an extension or there's something's going on, still send the email, send me the text. I will respond as quickly as possible, I promise. With that said, I hope you guys have a great week. Stay dry out there, and I will be talking to you next week. Thank you.